Alright guys, George's Gym. Got a challenge lock from Chris of Tacoma. Room Picker was kind enough to send this to me, so hopefully we'll get it picked in good time. Basically just going to wait till a 30-second start and then start picking. I know Room said it took him like 20 hours on his first attempt because he had to get a custom pick made to pick this, but hopefully we can get it done in less time than that. So here we go. Come on. There we go. So, pretty good time. Lock is open. Alright. Get that out of the way. Make sure nothing falls over. Okay. Let's be patient with me. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna gut this without the key. Find my, I don't know where my other screwdriver went. Maybe this is it. No, this should work. I don't know what's in here, but we are definitely going to shim it. And find a shim a follower that'll fit. Yeah, that's going to work. Okay, where did I turn them key pins? Okay. Alright, let's dump our key pins first. Make sure you guys can see this stuff. I don't want to be out of frame. Very nice key pins. Let's check our core right quick. I don't see any counter mill. It does look like it flattened the top. I'm not sure if he did that or that was factory, but I'll have to find out, but yeah, I don't see any counter milling or threading, so Alright, Let's get this like this so you guys can see them come out. See the orientation of the pins. Nice little gin bottle. Let me look at that. Focus. Okay, nice little sharp edge spool. Focus. Come on. There we go. Get that back the way it was. There we go. Kind of like another little gin bottle, Christmas tree style. Very sharp edge spool. A little hourglass in it. Alright. There it is, it just fell inside the follower. And we had a nice little T-pin. Alright, let's check our springs. Do it like this. What is? Here's a spring for 6. A normal spring. Copper spring. Well, both these are copper, but they're 2 different springs. 2 different copper springs. Alright, one similar to what was in 6. Yeah, I think he's just staggered these, so we should see another dark. Oh, you can't see any of that. There you go. Oops, don't fall over. All right. Get a good close up on these. So, let me adjust these key pins a little better so you can see them. Yeah, Chris at Coma, you did a great job on these. Really awesome. Flip that one around, little torpedo. That was a really fun lock with a lot of movement and counter rotation. So, well done, man. Alright, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Till next time.